STI over there, and then park an STI in there. It's gonna be a lot of STIing.
All right, it's gonna. Oh yeah. Oh man. Can you move that one?
I gotta move 2 STIs to get 1 STI going. Alright, you ready for your cold start?
It's like super hot out here, guys. Oof.
Too many STIs to get this started.
All for some spacers. Yeah, it should be good there. All right, what are we doing again?
Alright.
Oh, the spacers, right?
Spacers. We'll do that side and then we can move the car a little bit because the sun is gonna be burning.
So you're doing the passenger side, right?
Yeah, I'll do the passenger side. Alright, this is what we're cooking over here.
Chrome steaks over here. These are what size are these?
I have no idea, to be honest. They are certified pre-owned.
Certified pre-owned. All right, cool. Oh man, we had to clean that a little bit. What do you think?
Yeah, what are we cleaning with? You have a brush? I think I have a brush.
Sure, we got one somewhere. I mean, there's one.
Literally right here? I don't think that's gonna be strong enough.
Yeah. We'll see. Man, Akron needs a bath. Getting ready to. I don't know what he's doing.
All right.
He's never used gloves before.
It's about that time. I don't know how to put these on. It's the first time.
Well, they're definitely too small for me.
All right.
See. What are you gonna do?
All right, you wanna jack it up or what? I'll record you.
Oh my god!
Putting it up. You gotta put it up.
I gotta edit this out.
Yeah, you're gonna have to help it make it out.
Oh, on this freshly cut lawn.
Here, I don't know what you're doing over here on the front.
I'm trying to see if I can even see over there. The body. I guess I should take it from the oil pan. That'll be good.
Yeah, I think the oil pan is great with yeah. You got a first timer over here.
Which one are you gonna do first?
I'll do the front one. This is harder than it looks, by the way.
What's that thing? The
It's harder than it looks when it's 103 degrees outside. Watch your
Is
sunglasses.
that what it is? Right now?
Look,
You don't need a mirror, right?
101 degrees. This beautiful heat.
Oh.
Yeah. Huh?
I didn't know where to put it on right here. I don't think I've ever jacked.
Struggle is real when you're at this for 2 minutes.
I don't feel comfortable jacking it up right here.
It's only gonna be to pick up a tire for like, what, like 2 minutes?
No, but still.
Where'd you get it from? Where'd you
Some
jack it up
plastic
from?
piece.
Some plastic piece? Sounds safe.
I just don't feel comfortable with that spot. Like,
Pick a new spot.
it's like, where's the part where, like, all this plastic is just like in the way, dude? Why?
Sounds like a Subaru thing.
I know. Did you already listen to them?
No, I haven't listened to them. This is the first time we're doing this, remember? I think it's still good too.
Oh man, that's
The look of defeat. Let's see if this is gonna work.
Make sure you scratch them real good.
Scratch them? But you want to catch that there?
What is it?
Looks like a 19 to me.
19 millimeter. Got it.
Alrighty.
Coming out. Oof. Dropping nuts over here.
Nice. Nuts fell here. Alright, what are we going to use to clean it?
Oh yeah, we're gonna get that wire brush, I guess, for sure. Dun,
I have one.
dun.
Alright, because it's so hot outside. These nuts. These are the hottest nuts I've ever held. No, really, they're really hot.
Oh man.
Wow, what is that?
What? What happened?
Look at that. Look at that.
That's a Brembo, dude. Oh, what happened?
Oh
my god. I see it now. The grease from the bearing or something.
Alright,
oh man. From
is that
where?
a brake? Look, is that here?
Grease from something.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Looks like we have a new problem.
Great. I guess we're not doing spacers today. We're doing something else. I gotta find this leak. I'm serious. This is from the CB shaft. It's probably cut. Dang it. Alright, we're gonna find the source of this leak. Alright, let's see where we're
from. Is it the boot?
It looks like it is. It's just really hot, so it's like leaking down here.
Right now it's leaking?
To the ball joint area. I think it's just so hot that it's just coming out of the little seal there.
But it's not a...
Interesting.
What?
You don't need that. You don't need that piece there.
That breaks off. You don't have...
That's fine. Okay.
Here, look at that. Look at this guy here.
I got some already.
Look at over here, and that's because I already wiped it. Look how gunky it looks there.
Clean that one.
Look at that. Simple project gone wrong.
Just gonna have to put, what was it, spacers, right?
First video ever to instant problem. Sounds like a loss. Today we will win another day. Break one. Video one.
Already.
Video one, lost one. We're already starting back.
I can't believe it. That's so funny.
It's okay.
All right,
More content, technically.
So what happened? Ralph?
So,
well, what were you gonna do today first?
Something extremely simple. I know there's already a mess here, but installing these simple spacers, which you just take off a wheel, you put one of these on, you put the wheel back on, and that's it. But we had to. It was already a loss. That's the whole point of this channel.
First, I couldn't find the jack spot.
That's the whole point of this channel. Is to show how many actual losses there is when trying to do this. So, lost one. This will be the end of the video, possibly, until we make a new video actually installing the wheel spacers.
All right. So what happened was that we found a bunch of grease droplets in this area, the knuckle. And I cleaned them up right now pretty good, but there's actually a slight, just a small cut. I don't know if you can see it right there. You see right here. Oh, and it's actually making the droplets come out and just spatter all over the place here on this on the knuckle. So I cleaned it up, and it's all over the wheel. Where is it?
Oh, the wheel is clean now.
Well, that's dirt, but there was a bunch of grease inside the wheel, so we're like, oh, what happened? So that's what we're doing right now. We cleaned it up.
Actually,
oh yeah, it looks great now. But before it was real dirty. All the grease was in there.
it's the first time I've ever done
First
this
injury of today. Yeah.
First time I've ever done this before. I don't know how this goes. Alrighty. I think you put these on like this. Hope you're not gonna record how slow I am and how
Faster, let's go, man.
how
Dude.
hand-eye coordinated I am.
Mitsubishi's beating us, bro. Dang it.
I'm sure they are.
That's Gus right there, little Gus. You got two supervisors.
Isn't this the way it is whenever like you go like driving around and you see people working on the concrete, like on the street and stuff, and there's like one dude busting
Oh
ass
yeah.
and, like 12 supervisors around.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, I just use a I don't feel like spinning them all the way. Yes, I only have one battery. I have never charged it before.
That is true.
First time.
You want to take it? What happened? Oh, it's on?
It's in.
But then that's over here.
Huh?
Like your technique.
What?
So I like your technique.
Which one?
Papa squat.
Pop a squat. I'll tell you right now, I'm out of shape though because that definitely hurts. We're torquing this down to 1 Abram spec. 1 Abram spec at a time. Here, Abram, you're being handed a very essential tool.
Yeah.
Also known as whatever I can use to whack you across the head.
Bruh. BBS, what's that? There we go. Gee, I haven't.
Whoa, my bad. I was like this, look. I was like, my bad. I was not paying attention. I was not paying attention. Promise. Yeah, you put it in the right hole?
We don't have a ratcheting one? Isn't mine ratcheting?
Yeah, it is
What
ratcheting.
did I have? Alright, so we just gotta get in and press the brakes. Alright.
No, this is really not for you.
Alright.
Drop it. Drop it like it's hot.
Hot boy.
Go for it.
Alright, go. Boom.
Alright, you ready, guys? Ready? I think this one just drops, right? This?
Yeah, slowly though. Like, yeah.
Hey.
Alright, what's that gap look like? It sticks out too much?
A little bit. That was the small thing?
So wheels turn then.
Huh? That was the small space. What do you think? Is that too much?
It's just pretty good.
That was the big spacer, dude.
Was it?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Oh, my bad.
We loosened all the nuts. And we're like, oh yeah, they're coming out, they're coming out.
Broken stud. Still stuck inside the...
Gee, wow, I swear, it's like, oh man, what's the name of this channel again?
No winning. So far, so good.
Sheesh, so that's a new. All right, let's see. All right, last one. Winning. All the nuts came off, good. Got one more spacer. Looks like they're okay. Gotta get new end links for sure. Sway bar bushes, blah, blah, blah. You know the dealio. No grease here. As far as I can tell. Win.